I don't think I got enough footage, so I'm going to pad out the video. I'll show you the stuff I bought within order, I suppose. Another 2016 Thomas, 30 quid. My plan is I want to make this a replica of my current one, which is right here. God, you can see the difference. It's like night and day. So I'm thinking I might make a replica of this, give it away to a friend, or maybe I'll do another eBay auction and sell it off to someone, if any of you are interested, possibly. But yeah, he runs alright, just needs new coupling hooks and the obvious detail changes. But yeah, there's an option. What else did I buy next? I can't remember. I think I bought some number plates, but now I don't know where I put them. Yeah, I can't find them. So I then next bought a 009 Toby, and to go with it, some slate wagons. And these are really good. 13 quid for 3 wagons, or 2 for £24, and all you need to do is just paint them. You know, build them and paint them even. So now I have got something for Duncan to pull. Bloody rotten railway. There's no proper trucks for me to pull. That's what he would say, probably. Go away. What else? Because I've already got Ben, I have now bought Bill. He was 50 quid, same guy, locomotive models that I bought Thomas off of, and because he was looking lonely, the engines I mean, I bought another Harry, or is it Bert? I don't know which one, but because you know I've got like one of the twins, the one with a surprised face, I thought I'll get another twin to go with him. So now Bert, up on the Bressingham layout, now has a Harry to go with him. So I just need to clean him up, service him, and off we go. But I recommend locomotive models. He's a local fella, does really good service. I'm glad I bought from him. I also bought another 20-ton brake van. I love these LMS 20-ton brake vans. They're just so... I love them. I don't know why. Well, I know why, because they're at Bressingham, but I just love them. What else? I bought one of these rail freight flatbeds. An SAA flatbed. It's because I have got... Someone sent me the circus wagon resin load to go on it, so I'm going to restore this, and then I'm going to maybe paint the wagon a little bit, and then I'll have, you know, the full thing almost. So yeah. And last thing, I bought a composite coach, because I've got a few of these, so I want to extend the rake, and another one of these bloody yellow wagons, because this is one of my first wagons I got on my first train set. Oh, one more thing. I got a boxed loco. So, Hornby wants 55 quid for this, and I bought it for half price basically. Do you know which one this is? This Midland and Great Northern 040. Lovely little engine. I kept considering buying it, but the price put me off. So when I saw it for a cheaper price, I thought, right, this is my chance. It's quite interesting, really. It's a matte finish, but the buffer beams are all glossy. Must have been the paint they used. But I think this was released like last year, this year or something. So it's one of my most recent 040s that have come out. But yeah, there's that. Now, what am I going to do now? I've got to pack away all the stuff from today and settle down. Yippee!